Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest content.
Hey there, history buffs! Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of motorcycles. Did you know that the first motorcycle was invented in 1885 by Gottlieb Daimler? It was called the Daimler Reitwagen, and it had a top speed of 10 miles per hour. Since then, motorcycles have evolved tremendously. In the early 20th century, they became popular among the military and police forces. During the 1920s, they were used for racing and touring. And in the 1950s, motorcycles were all about customization and personalization. Today, motorcycles are a beloved mode of transportation for many people around the world. They're used for commuting, racing, touring, and even off-road adventures. So the next time you hop on your motorcycle, remember the incredible history that brought us to this point. Thank you for joining us on this journey through motorcycle history. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating historical tidbits. Until next time, happy riding!